Here we will write a Python program to find odd numbers from a given range and store it in list. So in comment line we will write, first we will declare empty list, then we will accept starting number and ending number for the range from user. So st number equal to int input enter starting number, and we will accept ending number as en number equal to int input enter ending number. Then we will use while loop to find the odd numbers. So while st number less than or equal to en number, and here we will check number is odd. So if st number mod 2 is not equal to 0, we will add this number to list. So l dot append st number, and we will increment the st number. Then after completing the while loop, we will print the message odd numbers from given range, and we will print the list, and we will execute this. I will give starting number 1, ending number 10. It will print odd numbers from given range as 13579.